It's given second order differential equation, and we have to transform it into two first order equations. For this, we let u be x1 and u prime be x2, then x1 prime equals to u prime and x sub 2 prime equals to u double prime, or x1 prime equals to x sub 2 and x sub 2 prime equals to u double prime. So now our equation u double prime plus 0.25 u prime plus 4 times u equals to 2 cosine of 3t, and we're gonna isolate u double prime, so it's gonna be u double prime equals to 2 cosine of 3t minus 0.25 u prime and minus 4 times u. So now we're gonna use our substitution. Then x2 prime equals to 2 cosine of 3t minus 0.25 x sub 2 and minus 4x sub 1. Then we have that x1 prime equals to x sub 2 and x sub 2 prime equals to 2 cosine of 3t minus 4x sub 1 minus 0.25 x sub 2, or x1 prime equals to 0 times x sub 1 plus x sub 2, where x sub 2 prime equals to negative 4x1 minus 0.25 x sub 2 and plus 2 cosine of 3t. Now we're going to use our initial conditions. So if u evaluated at 0 equals to 1, therefore x1 evaluated at 0 equals to 1, and if u prime evaluated at 0 equals to negative 2, then x sub 2 evaluated at 0 equals to negative 2. Hence, the initial value problem for two first order equations is x1 prime equals to 0 times x1 plus 1 times x2, and x2 prime equals to negative 4x1 minus 0.25 x sub 2 and plus 2 cosine of 3t, where x1 evaluated at 0 equals to 1 and x2 evaluated at 0 equals to negative 2.